In this video, we compare DJI Mini 2 SE and HOVERAir X1 Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight and portable drone, making it ideal for travel and outdoor activities, as it weighs less than 249 grams. With the DJI Mini 2 SE, there is no need for FAA registration or remote ID for recreational purposes, thanks to its weight being under 249 grams. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and with the additional intelligent flight batteries, you can achieve a total flight time of 93 minutes. The DJI Fly app, which comes with the drone, provides easy-to-use shooting templates for creating professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities compared to Wi-Fi. The drone is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety, making it easy to learn and master quickly. The HOVERAir X1 Drone is a self-flying camera that uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for capturing action in sports like cycling or skateboarding. Despite weighing less than an iPhone at 125 grams, this drone offers a high degree of portability and simplicity, taking off from your palm with a single click and folding away for easy transport. The drone offers a variety of intelligent flight paths including hover, follow, zoom out, and orbit, with each battery supporting approximately 20 of these paths for about 11 minutes of flight time. The HOVERAir X1 Drone supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting with a triple stabilization system that ensures smooth video effects and excellent fast motion capturing capability. The HOVER X1 app allows for live monitoring of the drone's camera feed and manual control of its flight path, while also offering a platform for downloading and sharing photos and videos. The drone is fully enclosed with safety guards and boasts 32 gigabytes of internal storage, securing your privacy with locally stored content and providing an extra layer of protection for both the drone and its surroundings. When comparing the DJI Mini 2 SE and the HOVERAir X1 Drone, several differences and similarities become apparent that could influence a consumer's decision. Both drones are lightweight and portable, with the DJI Mini 2 SE weighing less than 249 grams and the HOVERAir X1 Drone weighing less than an iPhone at 125 grams. This makes both drones ideal for travel and outdoor activities. However, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers a longer flight time of up to 31 minutes, compared to the 11 minutes offered by the HOVERAir X1 Drone. On the other hand, the HOVERAir X1 Drone boasts a self-flying camera that uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, a feature not present in the DJI Mini 2 SE. Both drones come with apps that provide live monitoring and easy sharing of photos and videos. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, which could be a deciding factor for users who need to fly their drones over longer distances. The HOVERAir X1 Drone, however, has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, which provides an extra layer of privacy and protection. Overall, both drones offer distinct features that cater to different user needs, and the choice between the two would depend on the specific requirements and preferences of the consumer.